जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्त वृंदा। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Hare Krishna and welcome back. Thank you for joining. Today we are discussing verse number 37 of chapter number 2 from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And in last few verses we saw from verse 31 onwards, Krishna is encouraging Arjuna to perform his swadharma. And Krishna is giving the arguments that by performing swadharma it will be beneficial for Arjuna. And there is no hesitation. Arjuna should not hesitate to perform his duty of fighting. And then Krishna explains in verse 32 that even while fighting or discharging the duty, if you die, then you will be elevated to the heavenly planets. So it's a win-win situation for you. If you win, you rule the earthly kingdom, but if you lose, then you go to the heavenly planets and enjoy there for a long period of time. But then Krishna says, verse 33 onwards, that if you do not fight or if you do not perform your duty, thinking that, it is out of compassion, then what will happen? You will incur sin for neglecting your duty. And also you will lose your reputation as a fighter. Basically, you will become infamous. And for a respectable person, dishonor is worse than death. So then Krishna continues about losing the reputation. He is saying that the great generals will consider that Arjuna left the battlefield because out of fear, not out of his compassion. So they will also consider him insignificant. Furthermore, the enemies will describe Arjuna with unkind words and they will scorn his ability. So hearing all this will be very painful for Arjuna. So Krishna is saying, what could be more painful for you than this? Therefore, Lord Krishna gives his final judgment in today's verse number 37. So let's read verse number 37. The Sanskrit is Hato va prapsasi swargam jitva va bhokshase mahim tasmad uttishta kaunteya yudhyaya krita nischayah. So Krishna is saying, O son of Kunti. He is reminding Arjuna that you are son of Kunti, Kaunteya. Either you will be killed on the battlefield and attain the heavenly planet, or you will conquer and enjoy the earthly kingdom. Therefore, get up with determination and fight. So, we see over here Krishna is trying various different ways and he is trying to encourage Arjuna to fight this battle. And Arjuna initially, he gave argument that, by fighting this war, it's like a lose-lose situation. So Krishna completely turned around Arjuna's argument. He gave various arguments that happened in the previous verses. And Krishna is saying to Arjuna basically that it's not a lose-lose situation. It is actually a win-win situation. So how it is a win-win situation? Because Krishna is saying, Hato va prapsasi swargam. Hata means being killed. So if you are killed, what will happen? You will gain prapsasi. What you'll gain? You'll get heavenly kingdoms. That is Swargam. And then Jitva va means if you win. Bhokshase mahim means you are going to, actually if you win, then you are going to rule the earthly kingdom. So therefore Krishna is saying Tasmad. Uttishta. Uttishta means get up. Get up. And he's calling to Arjuna. So therefore, you get up, Arjuna, Kaunteya, get up. And what do? After getting up? Yudhyaya. So you fight. How should you fight? Krita nischaya. Krita means with determination and in certainty. So you should be determined and fight this particular war. So Krishna, is defeating the second argument of Arjuna, or the second argument of concern of Arjuna. That is, the second concern of Arjuna was enjoyment. He will not be able to enjoy. So here Krishna is saying that if enjoyment is your concern, then you will best enjoy by fighting and doing your duty. So hence you should perform your duty, because by performing duty, either way you are going to enjoy. So that is what is this particular verse. So therefore, Arjuna should not, hesitate. So either he, if he gets killed, then he gets the heavenly planet, and if he wins, then he works the earthly kingdom. So it's a win-win situation. So therefore, get up and fight with determination. So let's see what Srila Prabhupada has to say in the purport. So Srila Prabhupada explains that this is Lord Krishna's final verdict. Even though there was no certainty of victory for Arjuna's side, he still had to fight for, even being killed there, he would be elevated to the heavenly planets. So that is the benefit, of fighting Dharma Yuddha. Therefore, Arjuna, if he performs his duty and he engages in the war, then it will be beneficial for him. So this is the last word about the Karmakanda section, the last verse about the Karmakanda section. And then verse 38 onwards, Krishna is going to switch gears. Basically, he is going to take to the next level. So Krishna explained the science of soul, or he gave the knowledge of soul from verse 11 of chapter 2 to verse 30. So the first practical application, after knowing that we are not this body, we are soul, was discussed in verse 131 to 37. That after knowing that you are not this body and you are soul, then you should perform your dharma on the platform of body as well as soul. So this is the first application. And because you are not this body, you are soul, even if you die in this battlefield while performing your dharma, then your soul actually will go to the heavenly planet. But, if you lose, then you are going to enjoy in this earthly kingdom. But now Krishna is going to take it to the next level, the higher level of understanding. How one must act on the platform of soul, or understanding that I am not this body and I am this soul. So that higher level of understanding, Krishna is going to start discussing verse 38 onwards. So that we'll discuss starting from next session. So thank you so much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai. Gaur Premanande Hari Bol.